Alright, so currently I'm at Fareground, Austin, and it's a food court and they have a whole bunch of different eateries, restaurants. You can do dine-in or takeout. I just ate from TLV. It was Israeli street food. I had the falafel plate. It was amazing. The pita was so fresh. The falafel was so good. The hummus, oh my gosh, it was really good. So now I'm just gonna take you around and show you what the place looks like. Okay, so for today, we're going to go towards 6th Street and check it out, see what it's like during the day. I heard at nighttime it's a big party scene for bars, stuff like that. But it's the daytime, so let's go check it out. Right now I'm at Narbar, just taking a little break, vibing, chilling. They had water pong and some good music. My Black Parade was just playing, great song. We're just here vibing. I'm back on Congress Street, or Congress Ave. This is where the bats were last night on the bridge. I was able to talk to some locals about the bats. I guess the bats are well fed, so they don't come out as often. That's just kind of how they explained it. But I guess there's a lot of bats under the bridge. But if they're well fed, they won't come out. Alright, it is nature hour, so I'm going to go on the walking trail that I was on yesterday. And we're gonna go in the opposite direction. We're gonna go this way instead of that way on the Tejano Trails. The weather has really turned around. Earlier it was really cloudy. I thought I was gonna need a jacket, but I didn't. The sun has come out. It's beautifully shining. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.